Brothers. I'm Ivan.
I'm Mike.
And we got part 3 on the Cobra. So this time we're planning on actually pulling this engine out. After just talking back and forth, we definitely want to swap it out. We want to go with something newer. We're looking at some 5.0s at the auction. You know, there's not many coming up right away, so we're just gonna look around. But then we're thinking there's one more option that we haven't even talked about yet. And it's a Ford motor. It's a V6 though, but twin turbo. So they actually sell a 3.5 EcoBoost, and I mean, we've had a couple cars with it, and it's actually really torquey.
Oh yeah.
It's really cool. So, and it's a Ford, so you can't go wrong with that. You put a Ford inside a Ford, you know? And we actually have a parts engine. We actually replaced one with a locked up engine. So we can actually pull this thing out and then see if it fits. If it fits, maybe we can go with the 3.5. If it doesn't fit, then either 5.0 or something else. So let's check out this motor.
Let's do it. All right guys, so this is the 3.5 EcoBoost V6. Comes in the F-150s. Honestly, probably a couple other cars too. The Transit, Ford Transit has them in there too. So like,
I think the Explorer, Expedition.
I mean, you're talking about like huge vehicles. And it's got a lot of torque on it.
It's got more torque than the 5.0.
That's crazy. I mean, this thing moves for sure. There's definitely a lot of power in these things. I drove one of the Transits and like, you'd be spinning tires, full of people. I mean,
So see these little turbos right here? We got the really big engine mounts. We're probably gonna take the engine mounts off and see if it'll clear with the turbos on there. If it clears with the turbos, I think we can make it work. But the biggest thing is we're gonna try to fit it in there. And it definitely looks like it'll fit on the passenger side, but on the driver's side, I don't think it'll fit. So
yeah, we might run into some firewalls or something like that. But man, this thing's gonna sound crazy. Imagine those little turbos spooling up. I mean, it would be nice. So definitely worth a shot.
All right, so let's get that other old motor out.
So we're cleaning up, and we found this. Am I worthy? I mean, this thing.
All right, Michael.
I got it. Woo! Oh yeah. Here we go. Did the job. All right, guys. So we got mainly the front things already disassembled. Oh, this came into use. This is literally as heavy as it looks. It's ridiculous. But now we're about to lift it up. We'll get the engine mounts unbolted, the transmission mount. Let's keep going. Let's do it. Oh. All right guys, dang, that was actually a lot harder than I thought. There wasn't really much clearance at all for the engine mount, the oil pan. I mean, that frame is like this and our engine's like that. So it had to like slide right
And
now.
we should have took the headers off.
Should the headers off, oil pan, starter. I mean, yeah, definitely. We're that 5.0, I'm kind of worried now. I mean, if this thing barely came out, it's gonna be bigger. This was a 4.7 or something, so it's technically smaller than a 5.0.
Yeah.
It's gonna be crazy.
All right, let's try to get this one in.
There we go, 3.5 EcoBoost.
We'll put on the cherry picker really quick, and then we're gonna take the engine mounts off because that's gonna be tight, and try and at least see if we can lower it in there.
Let's do it.
All right, guys. So we got the engine on the cherry picker, engine hoist. We got the engine mounts off. So hopefully we'll just you know, to see if it fit or not. We'll clear the turbos on each side.
really not that bad. I mean, it is a 6-cylinder, it's just not a V8, and it's a 3.5, so it should fit.
See, it fits the intercooler piping right here, but the exhaust,
Oh yeah.
you'd have like a crazy downpipe, which is doable. And if it goes a little bit more forward, I mean, there's definitely enough room for the transmission and the bell housing.
Oh yeah.
I mean, these would have to go, and we'd have to put something else to clear the turbos. As you can see right here, it's already touching it.
Oh yeah, for the exhaust.
So, but I mean, other than that, the turbos fit stock-wise. I mean, you got enough room here, and you have enough room on that side. So, I don't know. We got decisions to make, and there's actually a Mustang that's gonna be playing soon. So, if we win it cheap, I guess we're gonna go with the 5.0. If not, we could definitely try this. I mean, what do you guys think? Should we do the 3.5? What do you guys think? It's a Ford.
Yeah, but we still have to find the 3.5. I mean, this one's just for kicks and giggles to see if it fits. But
Yeah, this is a core. This one's definitely a bad engine, but I mean, it has the turbos on there so we could see if it would clear, and it definitely would. I mean, this car with twin turbo, I mean, EcoBoost, that's like environmentally friendly. But let's take this thing out, and then let's go in the office and see if we can get that Mustang.
Alright guys, we're out here at Copart looking at some Mustangs. We're looking at that parts engine with a Cobra. We got this 5.0 right here. I mean, it's wrecked pretty good. We got to start it up. It sounds nice.
Yeah, it sounds really good, but look at that damage. We ain't fixing that. But this would be a good donor car.
Yes, it would. Engine, transmission, wiring harness, everything we need.
All right, Michael, rev it up a little bit.
Oh yeah. Man, I got all sorts of lights on the dash, but no check engine light. Alright, so checking out this Mustang right here, this 5.0. Looks like it's got some mods on it, but we started it up and it didn't really sound that great. We're probably gonna have to pass on this one just in case, because that's exactly what we need is the engine. So.
But it's a good thing we checked it out, though.
Yeah, definitely.
Well,
Running for a little bit, started shuddering and making some weird noises, so rather not deal with that one. That's all good. Alright, let's keep going.
All right, guys, we're back in the office, and unfortunately, the internet just went down on the computer, so we're gonna have to go old school with our phone. So let's not miss this thing, and let's hopefully win it.
That 5.0, get that parts car.
Yep.
As long as it's a bit easiest for us, because we get the wire harness, transmission, everything all works. But we can start that car. We tried it, right? That's the one we tried?
Yeah, that's the one we started out of the two here locally, so it'll be easy to pick up, and we can continue the project.
Yeah,
so
we'll have all the parts on the way for stuff to get delivered. It'll be nice. Hopefully we get it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, got the bike all strapped down. Got the 5.0. Ready to go. Let's get that motor out. Alright guys, so there it is. Made it back to the shop. We got the 5.0. And I'm excited for sure. I mean, honestly, we got everything. We got the transmission, the wire harness, the computers we need for it. Everything we need is right there. All we gotta do is get it out, and then put it in the Cobra. So we actually ran this thing at Copart and it sounded good. So we know the engine's nice. Check the oil and everything like that. We don't need any of this anyway, so that's fine. It's not a big deal. Let's go ahead and get it unloaded and move forward.
Yeah, let's put on the lift, guys.
Let's do it.
Also, we bought a motorcycle.
Yep, the one
Michael,
we checked out.
Why'd you buy a motorcycle?
I don't know. It's not really the season for it, but I got a good deal. It's nice. Go over a little ride the mountain, a little cruise.
Yeah, because I got an R1, so.
It's not too bad. Right here, a little gas tank. That's still only. We'll work that out, but it's okay. Not a big deal. We'll get it.
All right, let's get this Mustang unloaded. Alright guys, so let's start it one more time. Make sure, you know, it's good. Make sure it's gonna start. Let's hear it run. Alright, Michael.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, so we got a lot more progress got done. We got the old engine out. We tried a 3.5 engine and it fit pretty good, except the clearances for the exhaust. That'd be hard. And then we won the 5.0 parts car. So I guess we're gonna go with the 5.0. It'll be a little bit easier. We can use the same engine mounts. We can use the same drive shaft. There's a lot of stuff that we can use. And that's great. So next step would be clean this up. We're gonna get new sheet metal, this, that, or we're gonna try to you know, mock up the engine with those engine mounts. There's still probably a little bit of adjustments and like that. So try to do that, and then we'll start doing harness. But we got to get that engine out. And unfortunately, we got no time. We're done. We're tired. That's gonna be next time. So let's go to the office. Let's pick our giveaway winner, and let's go for it.
All right, guys, we're inside the office. Let's find our winner. But man, that was a good day. I mean, we got that old engine out, got a parts car. But I do like that 3.5. I mean, twin turbo, and it does fit. But we do have the V8. It's nice, classical. So I don't know. Let us know what you think. Make sure to comment below. Was it a good idea to get the 5.0? Should we stuck to the 3.5? What are the unique? We're always doing giveaways, you guys. So make sure you comment Cobra down below this video if you enter a chance to win.
It's really easy. All you do is subscribe and share the video.
Yeah, sounds good. All right, guys, let's find our winner. 3, 2, 1. John Hobbs. I think he was on 1.7 before, John. Maybe. I don't know. But congrats, bro. Cobra 5.0 Coyote engine. That's what we're doing. So, you know, you called it. We're going for it. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for staying tuned. Until next time.